Out there in north central Arkansas, and also a line of broken thunderstorms, but still severe, heading towards central Arkansas. So we'll get right to looking at pinpoint radar right now. Looking like a little messy right now because a couple of warnings are expiring and being reissued, but we'll walk through each of them here so you guys have an idea on where they're heading. So zooming into the one that's moving into central Arkansas here, a line of broken storms. Originally the warning spread all the way from Garland County down into Clark County into parts of Arkadelphia, but the strongest part of the storm, the main winds, the strongest winds were actually in parts of Garland and Hot Spring County, kind of where this new warning has been set up, heading into parts of Saline County, eventually making its way northeast into Pulaski County. Now this line is weakening a bit as it does make its way into central Arkansas. It's losing some of those key thunderstorm ingredients, but could see the possibility of seeing some heavy rain, potentially some gusty winds make their way closer to Little Rock here in the next 45 minutes or so. But this line again is broken, but has quite a bit of lightning on it. Zooming out here, you can see all the lightning strikes trending down all the way to the parts of the storm that are not severe down into Arkadelphia into Clark County. So lightning, gusty winds, and heavy rain is associated with this line of storms pushing northeastward into central Arkansas. Going a little bit further north, though, north central Arkansas, this storm very strong as it makes its way out of Van Buren County into parts of Cleburne County and Stone County towards the Mountain View area. You can almost not even see some of the cities there with all that lightning tracker on there, so I'll turn that off for you so you can kind of see the direction the storm is heading as it makes its way into parts of northern Cleburne County and south Stone County into the Mountain View area. You can see this new warning that was just issued, as these ones will probably continue to expire as the storm pushes northeastward. This area has been hit awfully hard over the past couple of hours, especially parts of Van Buren County and Pope County, where a flash flood warning is currently in effect because of the heavy rains, but also some very strong storms that had gusty winds made their way through Van Buren County earlier. A tornado warned storm pushed through parts of northern Van Buren County before the storm continued to move through as a severe thunderstorm. Another severe thunderstorm moving through the Clinton area as well as we continue into this evening. Mentioning that flash flood warning for parts of Johnson and Pope counties, spreading into parts of Van Buren County as well. This is estimated rainfall over the last couple of hours here, anywhere from 3 to 4 inches possible in some spots, where there has been some reporting of flash flooding over in the Lamar area and parts of Pope County. So flash flooding continue going to be one of the main threats we see tonight, as well as that potential for some strong gusty winds. So big picture, big area of low pressure. This guy is the reason why we're seeing these spin up tornadoes mainly in northwest Arkansas. Now that tornado threat has diminished as we head through the next couple of hours here into the overnight, but still can't rule out maybe seeing a possibility of 1 or 2 of those spin-up tornadoes, mainly north Arkansas, as we head through the overnight hours. So just make sure you have your phones on ringer and you have multiple ways to receive warnings, including that weather radio or the Fox 16 weather app. So those 2 things can notify you if a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning pops up. But as I mentioned, the tornado threat is low, but not zero. As we continue through the overnight hours, that line of storms really going to start to kind of fizzle out as it makes its way into central Arkansas as well. But can't rule out, again, seeing an isolated strong storm or 2 as we head through the overnight hours. As we continue through the early morning, we'll have some lingering rain and storms around, but we'll start to clear out by the morning before another cold front pushes through Monday night. Behind that cold front, though, we're going to get a little bit of a break, and some drier air is going to move in, and that humidity is going to be feeling a lot nicer once we get to the middle part of the week. But until then, we unfortunately have some messy stuff to deal with heading through the rest of the evening tonight. Again, there's that chance for an isolated strong to severe storm. Again, better chance for strong storms going to be in north central Arkansas, but can't rule out seeing one of those severe storms make their way into central Arkansas. We have that line that is pushing through parts of Garland and Hot Spring County, making its way into Saline County within the next hour or so. It will make its way closer to Pulaski County, but it is a broken line of storms. But even if it's not severe, strong winds and the potential for some heavy rain as it makes its way closer to central Arkansas.
Absolutely, and we've already been saturated enough, so you said that
flash flooding definitely across the entire state because it has been a rainy week for August, that's for sure. But there was some clearing and some relief in sight. We just got to get through the next 2 days.
Yes, and you will be here all night long.
All night watching the storms. If there's a tornado warning, we'll hop on air, all that stuff. So you guys can follow me on social media, and I'll keep you updated.
All right, well, definitely stay weather aware tonight, that's for sure. All right, Kelly, thanks so much.